In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to professionalize your freelance business by creating detailed and clear scope of work documents. I start by giving ChatGPT a very specific identity. I tell it that I am Josh, a freelance content strategist, and I want it to act as my dedicated scope of work writer. I explain that I need my documents to be professional, specific, and easy for any client to understand without needing a lawyer to translate them. ChatGPT confirms the persona and outlines the principles it will follow, such as using clear language and defining strict boundaries to prevent scope creep. It even suggests a standard structure for our documents, including project overviews, deliverables, and payment terms. Now, let's put it to the test with a real project. I'll paste in a request for a 3-month content strategy project for a small e-commerce business. I make sure to mention the specific deliverables I need, like a content audit and a blog post schedule. As I scroll through the response, you can see how ChatGPT builds out a comprehensive document. It breaks down exactly what the audit covers, sets clear expectations for the blog content, and organizes a month-by-month timeline. It even offers a premium version of the document with extra protection sections for things like client responsibilities and sign-off procedures. Next, I want to see how it handles a one-time project, so I'll ask for a scope of work for a 5-page website copywriting task. I need this to include word count estimates and a clear revision policy. The AI generates a structured breakdown for each page from the homepage to the contact page and even estimates the total word count for the entire project. It sets a clear timeline for the initial drafts and the final delivery, which is essential for staying on track. To push the limits, I'm now asking for a much larger, 6-month brand strategy and execution program. This project is more complex because it involves a team, including a graphic designer and a social media manager. ChatGPT handles this by organizing the work into 4 distinct phases, starting with discovery and moving all the way through to optimization. It defines the roles and responsibilities for each team member, ensuring that everyone involved knows exactly what is expected of them. Finally, I want a tool I can use for every new client, so I ask ChatGPT to create a reusable scope of work template. It provides me with a clean, professional layout featuring bracketed placeholders for project names, dates, and client info. This template covers all the essentials, from the project overview to the final signature lines. Now, whenever I start a new project, I can just fill in the blanks and have a polished, professional agreement ready to go in minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.